In today's video, we're giving this iconic Gen 1 V10 Audi R8 a new lease of life with our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coating package. If you're not already, subscribe to the channel, like the video, and let's get on with it. So the first step, as always, when we have a car at the studio, regardless of whether it's for PPF or ceramic coatings, we need to do a full chemical decontamination outside. That way we know exactly what we're working with the paintwork, and we know there's nothing on the paintwork at all. So let's go ahead, finish the decontamination, and then we can get it inside the bay, and I'll show you some of the imperfections that are on the car. So that's the Gen 1 R8 now prepped and pulled inside the detailing bay. Next up, I'm going to show you some of the imperfections that are on this car before we start our paint correction, and then we can go ahead and get that sealed in with our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coatings. So then it's a bit loud at the moment, but I'm just going to give you a quick update on the Audi R8. So it's now, as I mentioned earlier, had the chemical decontamination and it's been pulled inside the detailing bay. I have just filmed some of the imperfections that are on the car already. It's mainly just the standard marring marks. I don't know if you can just quickly see it on this bonnet here. On a white car, they are a bit harder to spot. However, there are, like I say, the usual marring marks on the car. So Toby started the correction now. The wheels are off the car, so they've now been coated with Wax is Dead heat, so they're looking fantastic. So let's get the paintwork corrected, and then we can seal that in with our Wax is Dead coatings. So it's now all been cut and refined, and then if I go closer up to this bonnet, you can see how good it's looking now. So let's finish off the correction and then get it protected with Wax is Dead Ultimate. So then that's the iconic Gen 1 Audi R8 V10 now complete at the studio after having our Wax is Dead Ultimate 10-year ceramic coating package. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to the channel, like the video, let us know what else you'd like to see in the comment section down below, and we'll catch you in the next one.